Pickling cucumbers is a fun and tasty way to preserve them. Here's how to do it, and I'll put everything in the description. First, gather your ingredients. You're gonna need fresh cucumbers, water, vinegar, salt, and some spices like dill or garlic for extra flavor. Start by washing the cucumbers well. You can use small pickling cucumbers or regular ones, it's up to you. Just cut them into slices or leave them whole, Next, make the pickling brine. So in a pot, mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. So what you do is you heat it on the stove until the salt dissolves, and then you let it cool. Just watching for cops. While the brine cools, prepare a clean jar and basically place the cucumbers in the jar and add your spices. You can use dill, mustard seeds, or even red pepper flakes. So if you like a little heat. So basically, once the brine is cool, pour it over the cucumbers in the jar. Make sure the cucumbers are fully covered. Seal the jar with a lid and put it in the refrigerator. Now you're gonna wait for about 24 hours, and then you're gonna enjoy pickled cucumbers. They'll get even tastier after a few days. So pickling is a great way to enjoy cucumbers all year round.